Hello, amigos. Welcome back. Today we're gonna review another 4 bars from the holiday and occasion releases. We're gonna start. We left last video on reviewing the USSC bars. We left with the silent. The last one that we reviewed was the silent majority. So this one, we'll start with the landing of Columbus in America. So this is gonna be bar number 1. All of these are pretty good. One of them has a little bit of a fingerprint, but nothing to worry about. So this one is, let me see if I can move closer to the light. Yeah. So this one is going to be the landing of Columbus in America, October 12, 1942. Let me see if I can get it better. There you go. So we'll see there, Mr. Columbus is right there in the middle. Where's my pointer? Which is going to be right there. It looks like he is. And then we got the rest of the dudes. Now, I don't see any of the ships in the background, which the ships was La Niña, La Pinta, y La Santa Maria. Those were the names for those ships that sail out of Spain, I think. I don't know if it was Spain or Portugal. I know they were supported by the kings of Spain, which back then it was not the kings of Spain. It was the kings of Castilla, because Spain was not Spain at that time. So it was Isabella Católica, and I cannot remember the king's name. But this is a very, very clean bar. October 12th, 1492, when they reached land in America, and I think that was in the Dominican Republic. And we have the regular USSC reverse. Again, pretty clean bar. So that will be our number 1 bar today on the reviewing process. Let's see what it says here as far as mintage is concerned. Columbus Day, 1973. Well, I'm in the wrong page. No, it's right there. So the silent. It will be Memorial Day on Columbus Day, 1973. Not dated, but it was made in 1973. No serial number, and they made the whopping amount of 6868. So 6,868 bars with a rarity value of 3. Next bar will be St. Patrick's Day in the order of the book, okay? And that will be St. Patrick's Day, March 1975. We got mushrooms. We got clovers, I believe that's the name. And then we got the leprechaun. Yep. Kind of funny looking. We got some grass. Very simple bar. But see, you can see the little bit of finger prints there. We might do a dipski on it, but it's very clean bar. Same reverse, type 1, classic reverse, and that's bar number 2. And this bar, according to the book, was minted in 1975. It is dated, which we went through, and it's type 1, no mintage data, and ready value of 4. Okay, so the next one is Thanksgiving 1974. So we got Thanksgiving shouldn't end here. 1621 to 1974, almost 200, little bit short than 200 years after Columbus arrived to America. And then we have the Pilgrims, the Native Americans, and everybody enjoying a nice dinner celebration. We got the bow and arrows on the back right here on this Native American, and everybody's mingling, having a good time. Lots of food on the table. Beautiful bar. And it's going to be the same Type 1 reverse. No serial number on it. But very clean bar. Very, very, very clean bar. Sharp. I'm touching it and it's sharp. Very sharp edges. So it means that this one probably came out of the mint and went straight to those flips and then into a capsule with me. But beautiful bar. But that's number 3. And I think we said that is 1974. It is dated. Type 1, and they minted 4,900 of them. And they gave them a ready value of 4. The next bar, I don't think they melted any of them because I see it everywhere. Mother means love. 1974. She's with some roses. Nice looking lady. Well, if I put it like this, if I put it the other, she looks good too there. But if we put it like that, she looks like a devil. So this is bar number 4. I love this zoom thing. You can see a lot of good details. Even the eyelashes, you can see it. Hoo-hoo. Her hair. And again, regular reverse, no serial number. But again, very clean bar. Little bit of toning coming up right there. No PVC on none of these bars. So very clean, no need for dipski other than maybe the second bar, the St. Patrick's Day, because of some fingerprints. So this one, Father's Day, 1974. I'm sorry, Mother's Day, 1974. Type 1 and 6,100 minted, ready to value of 3. So back then I paid on this one $27.50. So good bar. So the next one we're gonna keep going, and I think the next video is gonna be only 3 bars. No, it keeps going. Okay, so the holiday and occasion releases continues to the other page. So we'll review another 4 bars next time. Well, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.